In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if Windows updates are not working properly on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for troubleshoot. Best result should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right panel, select additional troubleshooters, and then underneath get up and running, select Windows Update and run the troubleshooter for that, and then give us a moment to initiate and begin checking and repairing potential issues on your device. And then hopefully it would resolve the problem. You can also view detailed information to see what was checked for, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.